Today I'm going to talk to you about an IRA, what it is, just in the basic format. I will do another video in the future that will do about 201 level. So at a 101, an IRA is an individual retirement account. It is not tied to an employer. There are a couple options you'll hear is traditional and Roth. I've laid that out here so you can pause your screen. I've laid out contributions, growth, withdrawals, and income limits, and just laid out traditional versus Roth. So you can just pause your screen now, take a little look at what the differences are. The 2025 limits, so if you're under 50, it is $7,000. If you're over 50, it is $8,000. And there are income limits. That will be covered in a 201 video, but that's just something to keep in mind. And then I just got a visual down here, just at a high level of your paycheck moving through to retirement. So let's say your paycheck amount is $5,000. Your contribution is $500. That money is taxed. That money then goes into an IRA. You can invest in index funds, target date funds, etc., but some sort of investment is happening. And then eventually you're going to pull that money out, and that will be tax-free when you're pulling it out. So that is one of the big advantages of an IRA. So that's it. Thanks for watching.